you are new, here you have to open this, and these are the buttons. Actually, these are the buttons, not the press gently. So it will open. And how it will open? Like this. From this small button. So big and large rectangular. Open. Oh. Wait. So slowly. Okay. Ew. It should be the fireproof. It proof. 1 and 2. Heavy. It is heavy. So let us keep inside it. Like this. And now it will move. Like this. It will move. Here we need to plug. My mother closed the switch because for safety. So bye bye.